Hello, Emma, and anyone else watching this video. This is just a run through of the WordPress backend for the Fyans Park Primary School website. My name's Ty Hooper. I built the site. So now that you've logged in, this is what you'll see, obviously. It's called the WordPress dashboard or WordPress backend. So down the left-hand side are all the tools that we use to build the website. Most of them aren't really relevant to you, but I'll just run through them. So posts relates to blog posts. We don't have any of those on the site. Media is all the media that we've uploaded, so all the images, all the PDFs, for example, stuff here. Pages is all the pages we have on the website. So history, home, and there's 3 different areas because there's quite a few pages, so we can just click through. Appearance, that's probably more for me to worry about. Plugins is just different pieces of software that we've installed onto the website, as you can see here. Users is people who can log into the back end of the website. So right now we've got myself and the login details that I've sent you. If you want to add someone else, another user, so they can log into the back end, just go to add new, give them a username, add their email, and then you get a password. So that's the password there. And add them as their role as administrator, because administrator can do anything on the website. Some of these other roles can only do a few things. So if adding someone, it's best to add them as an administrator. You can change the password to anything you want, but it's good to have a strong password. And then you just add new user. Tools and settings, not really relevant. I guess the main thing that you want to do is edit the text and add new text areas. So we just come to pages, and then we've got all the pages here. I would steer clear of working on the home page, the main front page, but just the other pages is okay. So just say we want to change the text on the engagement and wellbeing page, we just click on it. Give it a few seconds to load. And then we can see here how this page has been built. It's been built with a program called the Divi Builder. And this is just basically the layout of the page. So if we want to change the text, the best way to go about doing this is to have this open, the back end, but also on another tab, have the website open here as well. So if we go to that specific page, engagement and wellbeing, we can just see how, so this top area relates to this area here. Page title, subtitle relates to here. And then text, which is obviously this stuff down here. There's image row, a row of images, which is the images here. And this green area is the footer, which is the same on every page. So if we want to edit the text, come down to this module here. So each of these gray areas represent individual modules. So this is one module, this is another module, that's a module, this is a module. So module, and then just the rows. So we can select how many columns in each row. So we have 3 for the images. For the text, we just have a single one shown here. So you can change these and have different layouts and different columns. But basically, if we just want to edit the text for this page, we just have to click here. And then we have the content area. As you can see, the text here. You can sort of think of this as a Microsoft Word sort of thing where you can just highlight, make text bold, italic, add a bullet point list, change the size. And yeah, if we want to just come in here, highlight it, and then we can just change the text to anything we want. So that's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Once we've done that, we just have to click here to save it, but we also have to come up here and update the page as well. So any changes we make, we have to save them and then update them as well up here. I guess another thing I'll show you how to do is add a new text area on pages that don't have any text on them. So if we go to, say, the Christmas Fair page, there's no text here. So let's go to Pages, Christmas Fair. So this again relates to the top area, the row subtitle is just here, and then the images is here. So what we want to do is we want to add a new row in between the subtitle and the images. So we just want to click here, this green area, add new row. And we just want to come to add from library because I've already set one up, text area. And then we can come in here and update the text. Change it here, add anything we want, add a bullet point list as we have here. And then another idea, a good idea is to change the name of this particular module. So admin label, just name it. Or anything else that we want to call it. So once we've done that and we've saved that, we have to update it here. And then if we reload this page, you can see that this text has been added. So we can just delete that now because that was just an example. And so we delete it and then update. And the good thing about this is if we've made a mistake, if we've accidentally deleted something, we can go to revisions here, browse, and if you hover up here, so we can look at the revision we made a minute ago, or 3 hours ago, or it goes back. So we can just click there to where if we've made a mistake and we want to go back to how it was, we can just go back to 3 hours ago and restore this revision. So yeah, that's basically the fundamentals. If you have any issues, don't hesitate to email me. I'm always happy to help. If you want to log out, we just click here, log out. And yeah, anything else, please let me know. Thanks a lot.